Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I want to ask you one question that do you always try to translate all Hindi sentence into English before you speak? If you have answer of this question, so let me know in the comment box. If you don't have, then I'm going to tell you. If you try to translate all Hindi sentence into English, so this is the reason because of that you are not improving and you are just hesitating, you are going down, your confidence is going down because of translation. So today in this video I'm going to share three secrets that will help you to start speaking English naturally and confidently. So do you want to start speaking English naturally with confidence? So this video is for you. First of all, if I talk about the learner's thought, when they start speaking English language, first of all they think in their mother tongue. After that they try to translate that sentence into English. By the time they complete translation, their confidence goes down. Obviously, if you give time to anything, after that, if you want to do any other work, you will not have confidence. Suppose that I want to ride bicycle. Okay, before that I'm just riding any bike, doing any kind of work. So for that I will not have energy. So how will I ride the bicycle? Likewise, if you are putting your all energy for translating your Hindi sentence to English, so you are putting your all energy for translating. So you will not have energy for English sentence. Obviously, if after that you will feel hesitation, you will not have confidence, and your confidence will go down. So it is the reason. And if I talk about the first secret that will help you to start speaking English confidently, so first secret is that start with small words. Don't run after fluency. Don't think that I will start speaking when I be very confident English speaker. No, 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 guys. Stop thinking like that. Start from the first sentence. Suppose that if you are going anywhere, if you want to drink water, so say that आई मुझे वाटर चाहिए. यू कैन से दैट मुझे पानी चाहिए की जगह पे आप कह सकते हैं मुझे वाटर चाहिए. मुझे भूख लगी है, मुझे खाना चाहिए की जगह में आप कह सकते हो मुझे फूड चाहिए. सो स्टार्ट विद दिस काइंड ऑफ स्मॉल सेंटेंस. ग्रेजुअली यू विल बी इन फास्ट टू मेक सो मेनी सेंटेंस बाय यूजिंग these small words. Are you getting my points? So I am saying that start with small sentence, small words, so that you could continue translating English to English, not Hindi to English. Okay, this will stop to think in Hindi and after that think in English. This will stop to think in Hindi first, and after that, if you try to translate that in English, this will help you to start thinking in English. So I hope that you got my first secret. After that, if I talk about the second secret of speaking English naturally, that is starting from simple sentence. Suppose that if you think that you are feeling hungry, अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि आपको भूख लगी है, तो instead of thinking that मुझे भूख लगी है, you can think that I am feeling hungry. You can simply use this. You can start with these type of simple sentence. For that you will not take too much time for thinking that how to say this. Just cram all 10 tenses, mug up all 12 tenses, and after that start speaking those all 12 tenses in your daily conversation. Once you start thinking in English, you will never think in Hindi. Okay, so start with these type of small sentence and simple sentence that I am hungry, I want to drink water, or I'm going to the market. Instead of saying that मैं market जा रहा हूँ, you can say that I'm going to the market. You can implement this kind of small sentence and simple sentence. Once you make this habit, after that you will just think in English. You will never think in Hindi. Okay, so this was my second secret. And after that, if I talk about the third secret, that is learning from the picture. That is the method of learning from the picture. Whenever you see anything, suppose that if you see any apple, so that time don't think that यह एक सेब है, उसको बोलो कि this is an apple. Whatever you see, whenever you go anywhere, always 24 hours you have so many things in front of you. So instead of saying that things in Hindi, you can simply say that this is tree, that is banyan tree, that is mango tree, this is water, this is food, this is copy pen. Like that you can learn from the picture, and this will help to start improving your English. Guys, just to keep one thing in your mind, that English is a skill, not a language. And if you are trying to learn a language, so it will take time, and gradually you will learn English. So I hope that you got my three secrets of learning English language. If you got anything, and if you are agree with these 3 points, so let me know in the comment box that you will try these three secrets to improve your English and for speaking English naturally. So I hope that you got something from this video. If you got anything, so please let me know in the comment box so that I could continue this journey. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.